Hey sweet friends, Miss Hendry here. Alright, we're going to go over a few of the pages from book 11. Alright, so I'm going to put my cursor on top of the letter, and then we're going to say that sound. Ah, ya, ah, z, v, I, w, e, and Good, so we'll do that. O says ah, Y says y, y, A says ah, Z says z, V says v, I says I, W says w, E says and U says Good. The next page, while it's loading, has the capital Q and the lowercase q. And Q says qua, qua, qua for the queen who likes it to be quiet. Qua, qua, quiet. Q says qua, qua, qua. The next page is the letter X for capital X and lowercase x. X is for the fox who was on the box, and he didn't want anybody to mess with his box, so he said X. X says X, X, X. Good. Let me get to the next slide. Alright, there it is. Alright, we have a picture of, alright, so this is a box. The next page has a picture of a box. Alright, so we're going to sound this word out, okay? Let's start with the beginning blend. Ready? B, A, ba, x, box. Good. B, A, x, box. This is the word box. Alright, now at the bottom, we have another word we're going to sound out. Ready? Axe. Axe. What word is that? Axe. Good. And then the last word. We have the word fox. Fox. What word is that? Fox. Very good. One more page, friends. Alright, so we have a picture of a cute little kitty cat in a bag. And we're going to read this word. Ooh, what is this? CK, what does it say together? Good, it only says it one time. Alright, let's read this word. Sack. 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 Good. Alright, the next word down here is wag. 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 The next word is pan. Pan. Like you cook chicken or eggs in a pan. Good. Alright, sweet friends, I love you and I miss you. Bye-bye.